The SaeboStim Micro, an electrotherapeutic modality that enhances cortical plasticity and motor recovery. The SaeboStim Micro provides low-level sensory electrical stimulation to the arm and hand using specialized electromesh garments. The unique electromesh material is not only soft and comfortable to wear at rest, but also during activities. Clients suffering from impaired function, weakness, and spasticity can benefit from the much-needed stimulation. The electromesh garments consist of a glove for hand stimulation and an arm sleeve for arm stimulation. The conductive material is made of silver-treated nylon fibers. The stimulation is delivered into the garments by the world's smallest stimulator widely used in scientific studies. Your SaeboStim Micro comes with a glove, arm sleeve, stimulator with an LCD display screen and push-button control, red and black lead wires that connect the garments to the unit, a Velcro arm strap to secure the device, and TheraCream. Why use sensory electrical stimulation? What are the benefits? Impaired function following a neurological injury such as stroke will typically result in both sensory and motor deficits. Limited use of the hand and arm can lead to impaired sensory communication to the brain. For instance, a client may not be able to sense light touch, pressure, or joint movement. Providing low-level sensory stimulation, which means without producing a muscle contraction, to the hand and arm can increase signals delivered to the brain, leading to increased corticomotor excitability or neuroplasticity. Traditionally, conductive garments have been used to treat wounds, joint pain, and other various orthopedic conditions. In the past decade, there has been extensive and exciting research highlighting the effectiveness of electromesh sensory stimulation for stroke survivors suffering from impaired arm and hand function, spasticity, neglect or inattention, complex regional pain syndrome or RSD, and edema. One of the reasons why sensory electrical stimulation is gaining popularity as a neurological treatment intervention is due to clients not receiving enough stimulation to the affected upper limb in the clinic and or at home. For instance, studies by Lang and Bernhardt have showed that acute patients with hemiparesis only use their affected upper limb an average of 3.3 hours per day. In addition, acute patients less than 14 days following stroke use their affected limb only 38 minutes, or 7% of a 9-hour day. More recent studies have showed that during subacute rehab, stroke survivors completed activity-related arm training for an average of 4 minutes per session during therapy. And arm movements during therapy ranged from 23 to 32 repetitions per session. It is clear that clients in hospitals or at home are not receiving enough stimulation to the affected side. Therefore, enhancing the client's treatment program with additional stimulation, which is certainly needed, can maximize treatment outcomes over time. Common benefits of sensory electrical stimulation that are outlined in peer-reviewed research articles include decreased spasticity or reduction in tone, improved motor function and performance, increased sensation, improved inattention and neglect, increased cortical plasticity and motor excitability, decreased swelling and pain, which is a very common clinical condition following stroke, improvement in temperature changes also noted in recent studies as well. Thank you for watching this brief introductory video on the SaeboStim Micro. We hope you found this information helpful. For more information about this exciting device, please visit us online at saebo.com.